In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube like button not showing problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update your YouTube app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app YouTube. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Launch your settings. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. For this network, give a fresh restart your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, clear cache for your YouTube app. For that, launch settings, go to General, go to iPhone storage. Now, navigate to the app YouTube. Click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache for the YouTube app. By following these steps, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, completely delete YouTube app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the YouTube app, click on the option Remove app, click on Delete app and click on Delete. Now navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube and install it. Lastly, what you want to do is try viewing in the video browser instead of using the YouTube app. For that, you can launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the website youtube.com. Now use the YouTube in the web version. By following these steps, your problem might be fixed. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.